Hello, daydreamers! I'm Sony and I'm here at EPCOT. We're going to explore the gift store in Norway today. So let's go see if they have anything that you would like to get on your next EPCOT trip. The gift store in Norway is called Fjording. Oh, look at the big troll. Got some hats and shorts. $25. $25 for a hat. $40. $40 for some slides. Helly Hansen. It's like the material is like athletic wear. $85. This is a thinner one with the zip. $90 for the zip ones. T-shirt. These are $35. If you ever catch yourself at the park and it starts to rain, it's a nice little rain jacket here. Helly Hansen, very nice material. $140. Yeah, I know, way more expensive than a poncho. But it's name brand, great quality, and a great purchase if you'll be wearing it regularly. Some swim shorts, it looks like swim shorts. $65 swim shorts. Nice sun hat, $50. They have it in the canvas and the blue. Look how adorable! The Mickey. Oh, they have a rain jacket for the men too. Mickey logo on there. Jackets. $115. You know, for those who live in the colder areas, it's nice to bring back a little something warm. They have it in the colorful camo. This is $100 here for the kids' jacket. Mickey, this one is $120. Yes, it's a raincoat. Nothing on the back. It's a very nice raincoat. Very thin, lightweight, but it feels like it would be very nice to have in the rain. Like it's not going to stick on you. $75 for some Helly Hansen pants here, tights. So they have some beanies, $30. Here are winter beanies. Winter beanies are $40. So Helly Hansen must be a big name brand. I wasn't familiar with this brand, but they are sold at many sporting goods stores because they make clothing for skiing, sailing, and hiking. And the material all seems to be lightweight, breathable, sleek, and comfortable. $90. This also feels like a rain jacket or windbreaker. Oh, I like how it has a little zip pocket here in the chest area. $140. Nothing on the back.
This one probably the same.
Yeah. So they have it in the navy blue. They have a button-up polo. See, the material is very light and loose. In black. It's actually a different material than the ones that we just saw. This one is $120. It has more of a texture on the arms. Half zip, $70. Hoodie is $90. This brand has really nice material. $100 for the jacket here. And it has the Helly Hansen in the back. Oh, this is like a thicker material here. $270. A ski jacket. You got the reflectors on there. And they have a thinner version. Helly Hansen t-shirt. It was in the vest form. $175 for this one. And they have it in blue. We got Norway. EPCOT World Showcase. Look how cute. $6.99 for the flags. Norge, land of the Vikings. $16.99. It doesn't feel like a magnet. but it's $12.99. It's like embossed here. $26.99. Look at the backpack. It's a lug backpack. It is $90. Side magnetic pockets. Double compartments.
The same as the bottom one.
Look at the back. So nice. This is $64.99. And then check out the lining design. They have beanies. There's no pricing on the beanies. They have different styles. Ornament. $19.99 for an ornament. Some shot glasses. $12.99 for cute little shot glasses. A water bottle. $29.99. I love Mickey in his Viking costume. Look at this. He's happy in this one. I like this one. $34.99. Nothing on the back. Oh, it says EPCOT World Showcase at the very top there. And then you have the Spirit jersey in gray and red. And in the back, Norge EPCOT World Showcase with EPCOT emblem. Nice though. Oh, look at this. I like this t-shirt. Very lightweight. It says Norway, so colorful. $34.99. Nothing on the back. Look how cute that is. It's Mickey and Minnie holding hands, looking at Norway. That's adorable. Nothing on the back. It doesn't show a price on this one either. Oh, look at the lug. Look bag. It's so cute. With her beanie, her snow hat. And look at the lining on the inside. It says Norway. It has a clear. Oh wow, check this shirt out. This is different. It looks like denim, the way the dye is textured, but it's not. It's a t-shirt. It says Norway, Epcot. Look at Mickey holding its ski. And that one also does not have a price. They have a pillow.
It lights up.
Oh my gosh, it lights up. It says I light up. $39.99. And then the back, look how pretty. EPCOT Norway World Showcase. A knitted side one with Mickey. This one is $39.99, and then the other side is fluffy with the little logo here. This is so cute. Makes you feel like you're in a lodge or a cabin. And they have blankets, a throw plaid blanket. That's what it looks like. And this one is $44.99. Oh, check out this ornament. Look how happy they look. This cute shot glass, $9.99. A Viking head, EPCOT, and then EPCOT logo on the back. Viking horns. Norway hat. This is $29.99. It says Norge on the side. It's navy blue and gray. And then the back says EPCOT World Showcase. Oh, look at this apron. $34.99. $335. You can check it out on the mannequin. It looks nice on the mannequin there. They have it in different patterns. They have it in black. This one actually is like a cardigan, a full zip cardigan. And this is $394. In the back. So these are beanies. Christiana hat, $75.
Wow.
This is also $75. Yeah. Must be a very like high-end brand here. And some socks. $35 for a pair of these beautiful socks here.
Oh, one pair?
Just one pair.
Wow.
See, they have steins here. Look at this stein. Norway. Is that Thor? This one is Norway. $74.99. Norwegian men. $89.95. How fun! For the kids, they can dress up as a little Viking. $14.99 for the hat. And then the little shield here. $19.99. Little kids love that stuff. This t-shirt doesn't have a price, but it's the Viking head. There's nothing in the back. Tank top is $36.99. Here. A Tervis water cup, $39.99. And then this is an interesting looking cup. EPCOT on one side. The EPCOT Viking emblem, $24.99. Bear caps here too. These are $14.99. Oh, how cute is this ornament? Look it, it's a Mickey ear Viking ornament. Oh, I love it. $34.99. I really love this one. They should have this one as real Mickey ears. $24.99 for that ornament. And they have a hoodie, $54.99. The Norge face on there. It doesn't have a price. And the hat here. This one, okay, it says EPCOT, Norway EPCOT, $29.99. It's like almost like a foam sword, $14.99. Knife form troll original. Look at these princess ears. I cannot open because they have it wrapped, but that's what it looks like. It's like Elsa's ice castle. Okay, that doesn't have a price either, but oh, and here's a magnetic Olaf and the magnetic lizard. Bruni, I think it's Bruni. $24.99. Oh, it's a coloring set. Little stationery gift for the little one. Oh, check out this cute little jacket for kids. It has Olaf here. But you know, Norway is where the Frozen ride is, so everything here for the kids are mostly Elsa and Anna Frozen items. But this is absolutely adorable. It's $49.99. $9.99 hair clips. Look at it, it has the snowflakes in them. It doesn't have a price. Nothing in the back. Little jacket, $39.99. So this feels like a rain jacket too. And look at the zipper. It has a snowflake. It's like a rubber snowflake. In the back has a zip, so it must be packable. Look at this pretty dress, $44.99. And then a t-shirt here, $31.99. Well, like the butterfly sleeve, lace butterfly sleeve, and a hat. Very shimmery. Okay, it has sequins on it. So adorable. You cut this cute little purse. Wow, you can get a whole big doll with all these accessories here. You can get Sven with her. This entire back section of the store are kids' merchandise. It has all Elsa, Anna, and everything Frozen merchandise. From toys, dresses, lots of cute little things. So if your child likes Frozen, this is a store to come check out. Was it $19.99? $39.99. felt ornaments. Kitchen towels, $19.99. That's the full design there. Norway, this is $39.99. Has a fringe corners, nothing on the back. Zip up sweater. EPCOT Norway showcase. Okay, look at the back here. So you can wear it like this or like this. $39.99 for the ruffle sleeve. Oh, this is pretty. A small water cup, $21.99. Little belt lug bag. Oh, it has zippers on the inside of this one. 2 front pockets. Both zips. This one's actually deeper. It goes all the way down. This one's a half zip. Same thing with the magnetic. Oh, and it has a double one. Double magnetic on this side. One magnetic on this side. One full compartment. Zippered clear inside. And elastic divider on the other side. Helly Hansen again. This is $140. $140. This is $75, but it has pockets. And it feels like something that you would wear like near the water, by the water. And same thing with this one. This one is also $75. Very plain. Nothing like fancy schmancy. I think it's just based on the way that it's made and the material. So they also have in black. Oh, it has a UPF of 50. So helps with the sun. Very nice. Let me test it. I mean, I smelled something good when I walked by. I totally sprayed that on my head instead of the card. I think the cast member told me that the perfume was $92 for the large and $72 for the small. Beautiful. So that is the fragrance designer. Milk chocolate confection, crunchy caramel almond candy pieces. It's called Damn or Dame. I don't know. Oh, how cute! A plushie mousse. Heat and serve. So you heat and serve it. It's clog. Traditional Scandinavian. $14.99. Oh, I never had lingonberries. Chopped hazelnut, milk chocolate and chopped hazelnut, just milk chocolate, stroop waffles, caramel filled waffles, Dame crunchy caramel candy bars. They have Kex filled wafers and milk chocolate, Marabou,
Oh my god, these windmills.
Phaser mint, so mint dark chocolate with peppermint filling. This is the special spiced cookies. So this store had the fragrance area, kitchen and snack section, Helly Hansen, souvenir area, and the entire back kids section. All the items and pricing you see here was filmed April 2025. So what did you think of the Norway store? I'd like to thank you for watching, and if you haven't done so, please like and subscribe. We're gonna go enjoy some music from the M80s in the Mercure Pavilion, and I wish you a lovely day. Better yet, have a Sony day.